Think your carry-on fits airline rules? In 2025, that might not be true anymore. From surprise gate checks to banned smart bags, we're breaking down what's really changing, so you can fly smarter, pack lighter, and avoid the chaos. As we look ahead to 2025, significant changes are on the horizon regarding airline carry-on regulations that every traveler should be aware of. These new rules aim to streamline the boarding process and enhance security, but they also come with specific guidelines that could impact your travel experience. By staying informed about these updates, you can avoid unexpected fees and inconveniences that may arise from non-compliance.
$85 for baggage. This is outrageous.
Sir, your bag exceeds the size limits. Please use the sizer.
Whether you're a frequent flyer or planning your next vacation, understanding these carry-on changes is essential. Join us as we explore these travel hacks to ensure your journey remains smooth and enjoyable, without any last-minute surprises. In a significant shift for travelers, the new universal carry-on size regulations have been established, setting the maximum dimensions at 22, 14, 9 inches. This change is crucial, as it means that over 60% of popular carry-on bags currently on the market may not meet these new standards. For travelers, this could lead to unexpected fees or the inconvenience of checking bags at the gate. To avoid these issues, it's essential to measure your current luggage and ensure compliance with the new size requirements. If your bag falls short, consider upgrading to options that adhere to these regulations, ensuring a hassle-free travel experience. As part of the upcoming changes in carry-on regulations, new weight restrictions are being implemented, typically ranging from 8 to 10 kilograms. Airlines will enforce these limits more strictly, which means travelers need to be mindful of their luggage weight to avoid additional fees. One effective strategy is to wear heavier clothing, such as jackets or boots, to save both space and weight in your bags. Additionally, it's crucial to research specific airline policies regarding electronics, as these items may have different weight considerations. By staying informed and adjusting your packing strategy, you can ensure a smoother travel experience without unexpected costs. With the new regulations, stricter rules regarding personal items are now in effect, defining the maximum size limit at 18 by 14 by 8 inches. This change emphasizes the need for travelers to pack strategically to ensure they can carry everything they need without resorting to checking bags. Oversized personal items can lead to unexpected fees, which can quickly add to your travel costs. To avoid these inconveniences, it's essential to carefully select and organize your belongings, ensuring they fit within the new dimensions. By being mindful of these guidelines, you can enjoy a smoother travel experience and keep your expenses in check. Despite some online rumors, the TSA's well-known 311 rule for liquids hasn't gone anywhere. That means each liquid container must be 3.4 ounces, 100 milliliters, or less. All containers must fit in a single quart-size clear zip-top bag, and each passenger is limited to one bag. While some international airports are experimenting with new scanners that could eventually allow larger liquids, this isn't widespread yet. If you're flying to or from the US, or connecting through airports without these scanners, it's safest to stick to the current rule. Travel-sized toiletries and solid alternatives like shampoo bars or toothpaste tablets can save space and reduce risk of confiscation. In 2025, lithium battery regulations are getting more attention. The FAA now emphasizes the following limits. Batteries under 100 watt-hours are generally allowed in carry-ons. Batteries between 100 and 160 watt-hours may be allowed, but you'll need airline approval.
I'm sorry, you can't bring those items on the plane.
But we checked online.
Battery policies have recently changed. It's for safety.
Anything above 160 watt-hours is prohibited. You should carry all spare batteries in your carry-on, not checked luggage, and cover the terminals with tape or in a battery case to prevent short-circuiting. Also, make sure devices like laptops and tablets are fully charged and able to power on if asked at security. This isn't new, but it's being enforced more regularly, especially on international flights. Smart luggage is incredibly popular thanks to built-in GPS tracking and USB charging ports. But here's the catch. If the battery is non-removable, it's not allowed. Neither as carry-on nor checked baggage. Always ensure your smart bag has a removable lithium battery, especially if you plan to check it. This rule is enforced by nearly all airlines, both in the US and abroad, and non-compliant bags may be rejected at check-in. As basic economy becomes more common and airlines monetize overhead bin access, competition for bin space is heating up. Airlines may now assign space based on boarding group, meaning boarding early can be the difference between keeping your bag with you or having it gate-checked. Another tip? Pack a slim, under-seat bag with essentials: headphones, medicine, devices, and a snack. That way, even if your carry-on ends up in the cargo hold, you're still covered in the cabin. Let's recap the 7 big updates every traveler should know for 2025. 1. Carry-on size limits 22 inches by 14 inches by 9 inches are more strictly enforced. 2. International weight limits may apply, even if US airlines are more lenient. 3. Personal item dimensions are limited to 18 inches by 14 inches by 8 inches. 4. The 311 liquids rule is still active. Don't get caught off guard. 5. Lithium battery limits are defined by watt-hours, with enforcement increasing. 6. Smart luggage must have removable batteries. 7. Overhead bin space is limited. Boarding early and packing smart helps. By staying informed and adjusting how you pack, you'll avoid unnecessary fees, delays, and headaches. If this video helped you feel more travel ready, be sure to like, subscribe, and check out our channel for even more tips and travel updates. Thanks for watching and safe travels.